Mabuhay! I am Jinay Carov de Seneza.
I am Tito Stephen Sisopilio.
I am Francis Oliver F. Silino.
Good morning.
So this is the 8 common hazards.
And we are the BSHF students.
Hazard 1. A natural or acquired posture can include bending, reaching, kneeling, and squatting. This can cause strain from the joints. Use countertops and cutting surfaces that can adjust it to the different workers. Hazard 2. Repetitive motion can lead to injuries when a task forces you to do the same movements over and over again. Change hands to spread out repetitive movement and take frequent rest breaks from the repetitive activity. Hazard 3. Standing in the same place for a long time increases strain on the muscles, tendons, and ligaments. Workers should take breaks from standing still by walking around to increase blood flow. Hazard 4. Heavy loads, especially those that are unstable, increases strain on the muscles, tendons, ligaments, and nerves. To reduce the hazard, use cars to move food production and use equipment to assist with pulse. Forceful use to fan muscles and result in shoulders, arm, wrists, and fingers. Pick up items from the bottom and avoiding using few fingers. Hazard 6. Maybe just by slippery and slippery fingers. Move slowly and carefully. Beware of blind spots in carpets or rugs. Hazard 7. To reduce burns from hot surface, hot oil, and grease. Owners, managers, and workers should use materials handling devices. Use dried butters and meats. Hazard 8. Cuts and lashes can be caused by knives and undergrounded machines. Use proper tools when using knives. Scissors or sharp tools, make sure that they are in good condition. Sharp and appropriate for tasks at hand